Welcome to my YouTube channel Cars Zone. Today we are stepping away from cars for a moment to talk about one of the most advanced and powerful fighter jets in the world, the USAF F-22 Raptor 2025, known as the crown jewel of American air superiority. The F-22 Raptor is not just another aircraft, it is a fifth-generation stealth fighter that combines speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology to dominate the skies. Developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force, the Raptor was designed to be virtually untouchable, and in 2025 it still remains one of the most feared jets by rival nations. With its stealth design, advanced avionics, and unmatched maneuverability, the F-22 has set a standard that many other countries still struggle to match even decades after its introduction. The F-22 Raptor stands out with a top speed of around Mach 2.25, which is about 1,500 miles per hour, and a supercruise capability that allows it to sustain supersonic flight without using afterburners, giving it both fuel efficiency and tactical advantage. Its stealth coating and radar-evading shape make it nearly invisible to enemy detection, allowing it to engage or disengage battles at will. Equipped with highly advanced sensors, electronic warfare systems, and integrated avionics, the jet provides pilots with unmatched situational awareness. The twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines provide incredible thrust, enabling jaw-dropping aerial maneuvers that are simply impossible for most other aircraft. The Raptor's arsenal includes a combination of air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, including AIM-120 ROMs, AIM-9 Sidewinders, and precision-guided bombs, making it lethal in both defensive and offensive operations. Now, the price of this incredible machine is something that reflects its advanced capabilities. Each F-22 Raptor has an estimated unit cost of around $150 million, though some estimates including research and development costs push the figure closer to $250 million per jet. That makes it one of the most expensive fighter jets ever built. But when you consider the technology, stealth features, and sheer dominance it brings to the battlefield, the price tag is justified. In fact, production of the F-22 was halted after fewer than 200 were built, making it not only advanced but also extremely rare. As of 2025, the Raptor remains exclusive to the United States Air Force and is not sold to other nations, unlike the F-35 which is exported to allies. This exclusivity is one of the key factors that preserves America's aerial superiority. To this day, the F-22 Raptor continues to be upgraded with modern systems to ensure it maintains its edge against new threats. It is not just a fighter jet. It is a symbol of American military power and technological dominance. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the F-22 Raptor 2025 and its price, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cars Zone, and stay tuned for more exciting content.